The governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, rushes to the cry of help from the 16 flood-ravaged communities of Ogbaru.
You must plead with them to leave. It is time they join us and go to it. When this is over, we'll come back.
And we'll rebuild.
And we will help them.
To rebuild.
Please, it is important they must leave now. That is why we came. They must go with us. Let them leave their property, let them leave everything. When this is over, we will come back. We will assess, we will help them to rebuild. What is important is their life.
Only rooftops of story buildings could be seen, while bungalows have since gone under. Roads cannot be traced, while bridges on higher grounds have become safe havens. Offices, schools, hospitals and markets are no more. Food crops have been swept away. It's water everywhere. When the aviation minister, Stella Odua, a native of Ogbaru and member of the Presidential Task Force on Flooding, visited, she was shocked.
The federal government is calculating, is checking the able to see how they can work the collaboration with the state in order to make sure that life is better for the somebody is on plan, nature in taking its course.
What we want is that people must leave and they must feel the impact of government. In this kind of disaster, we need government presence immediately, and we are calling on all of them.
11 camps were created to accommodate the internally displaced persons, but many others from Kogi State ran and sought refuge in Anambra.
Every Nigerian is important to us. This flood is in Nigeria, and if anybody, no matter the state you're coming from, is here, we'll look after you. So we'll make sure that they're looked after. I hope they feed you well. We'll make sure you're giving food.